Hey there, plant lovers. Welcome back to Terramata Gardens. Today we're highlighting a tropical stunner that brings big rainforest vibes to your indoor jungle or shady garden bed, the Brazilian tree fern. This plant is lush, dramatic, and full of character. One of the coolest things about this fern, in its natural environment, it can grow to be a towering tree reaching up to 15 feet tall. It's technically a tree fern, which means it develops a thick trunk over time, but even young specimens have this ancient, almost prehistoric energy, like something out of Jurassic Park. The Brazilian tree fern is native to the tropical rainforests of South America, especially Brazil, hence the name. These ferns thrive in humid, shaded understories where filtered light and rich soil keep them happy. In gardens or containers, they recreate the feeling of walking through a jungle, soft, lush, and otherworldly. This fern forms a central trunk or rhizome, and from there its fronds emerge in a graceful arch, creating a canopy of finely cut, feather-like foliage. The leaves are bright green, delicate looking, but surprisingly sturdy. It's a real showstopper, perfect for creating height and texture in any plant display. Brazilian tree ferns do best in bright and direct light or filtered shade. If you're growing it indoors, place it near an east or north facing window or use a sheer curtain to soften the light. Outdoors, they love dappled shade under taller trees. Moisture is key. They like consistently damp soil, but not soggy. Water them when the top layer starts to dry out, and make sure your soil is well draining. A mix of peat, perlite, and compost works well. They're also humidity lovers, so give them a boost with a humidifier or regular misting, especially in dry homes. In a shaded garden bed, Brazilian tree ferns look amazing with caladiums, hoistas, impatiens, and coleus, all plants that love similar moisture and light levels. Indoors, pair them with begonias, ferns, and philodendrons for that lush, layered rainforest effect. Like other tree ferns, this one grows from the top, meaning the trunk is actually a mass of old leaf bases and roots. Over time, you'll notice a base thickening as it matures. And fun fact, if you're lucky enough to have a mature one outdoors, it might even spore and reproduce, sending tiny brown spores into the wind to start new ferns nearby. While it's not edible or medicinal, the Brazilian tree fern has some serious ornamental value. It's often used in tropical landscaping or as a centerpiece plant indoors, bringing in height and movement. It also creates natural shade and shelter for small shade-loving plants in your garden. Thanks for watching. If you've got questions about tree ferns or want to show off your own, drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and keep growing with me.